Well, this is it. This is the big moment. The moment we've all waited for. You've seen the greenhouse. You've seen all this lot. You've seen it all growing beautifully. You've seen everything outside. And you even saw me getting 1 or 2 little peppers. See, here's some more, look. Another couple ready there. Take that one off. Look at them. Aren't they beautiful? But look what's hidden away. Can you see that? That is a perfect tomato. And now I'm going in. Oh, I can't look at that. Oh, it just came off in my hand. Wait till we get this little baby here. Look at that. How about that? Now, normally I'd devour this in a second, but Debbie knows it's there. So I'm going to take it in and we're going to share it between us. Watch this space. So, baby, what do you think of the size of that?
Oh, that's lovely. Very nice.
That sounded so put on.
No, really, it's like, oh, that is amazing. I think it is incredible. Wow, where did you get that tomato from, darling?
I live with that every day. Every day. If I could find a way to change it. Every day.
You wouldn't.
I bring you one of me plums and you're not even excited.
Ooh.
Okay, this is it. We're going in for it now. Look at that. Just look at that, man. That is stunning. Get your... Oi! I'm supposed to be first.
Yummy.
What's it like?
Delicious.
Oh, go on, slip a bit in my mouth. That sounded terrible. I didn't mean it that way.
There you go.
Oh,
That's very good.
that's a personal moment. You got it officially from Mrs. Jodie Nicklaus. It's very good.